In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA not recording issues. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and restart your GeForce Experience. Go ahead and ensure drivers are up to date and check if the game is running in full screen or borderless mode. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and set correct audio input or output devices. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open the settings on your device and then head over into the sound settings. So click on Win I on your keyboard to open settings on your Windows device and then click on System in here. Head over into the sound settings and then in here make sure to set the correct input device and then click on the device properties to be able to actually adjust the volume of your input. And that is how you can basically fix NVIDIA not recording issues. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.